Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lightz to show off and unbox for you the UBL Tailgate Bar. Now here in front of me is the 49-inch version of the UBL Tailgate Bar. Also available, but not here in front of me, is a 60-inch version. The 49-inch version is the smaller version, of course, and it's perfect for your smaller trucks and SUVs such as your Tacomas, Colorados, Rangers, etc. The 60-inch version is going to be perfect for your Silverados, your F-Series, your Rams, etc. Now the 60-inch version also comes in a pair that can be used as a rocker panel light and fits on just about every vehicle. Now included with either of the 49-inch, 60-inch, or rocker panel set are a set of 3M VHB tape. This is automotive grade tape that is super strong. Once you apply it using alcohol, make sure you prep both surfaces. Apply that, it's going to be super strong, give you a permanent bond. Also included are the clip brackets. These are a non-permanent solution, so this is great if you want to mount your tailgate bar in front of a hole to access your spare tire. You want to be able to pop off the tailgate bar in case of emergency and access the hole. This will allow you to do so. Also included is a pair of P-shaped brackets. These are a permanent solution, perfect for rocker panel mounting. This will clamp around the light and mount your light permanently to your vehicle. Now the 49-inch version of the light bar includes 48 3-watt LEDs. The 60-inch version has 60 LEDs. Both of them are available in dual color only, so blue-white, red amber, blue amber, amber white, etc. Now the light comes with 3 modes and a built-in traffic advisor that you see here, which is available in left, right, and center out. There's a total of 120 flash patterns between all of the different modes and functions. The bar is a 2-piece polycarbonate construction that won't rust. The light has some flex to it, but be sure not to bend it, but it will mount to any contours on your tailgate. The light meets SAE specifications, and again, it's available in a 49-inch or 60-inch version. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.